COVID-19 resources. The thermofogger. Disinfection of any area where people may come into contact with COVID-19 is key to being able to reduce and eliminate the spread of this highly infectious disease. For people to venture into the workplace comfortably, it is crucial for them to feel safe in the knowledge that the area they frequent has been sanitised on a regular basis. Ionic Systems has addressed this issue by offering external spraying and internal fogging systems for the professional cleaning contractor. Check out our COVID resource section for more listings like this.